Hey everyone, this is my attempt to do a long YouTube makeup video. I already kind of did my eyebrows. Now let's move on to my base. Please don't mind my missing nail. First off is I'm going to color correct with this Huda Beauty Faux Filter Corrector. This is in the shade Peach. By the way, I have already prepped my face with this boosting facial oil from Beekman. This is my holy grail for the skin prep before makeup. I'm gonna do 3 dots on each side, also around my mouth, as I have a bit of pigmentation in there. Just add it a little more. I'm gonna let that corrector dry a bit, and meanwhile I'm gonna just prep my eyelid with some concealer. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer. It's in the shade Nougat 2.5G. Blend it with this concealer brush from BK Beauty. Now I'm going to go ahead with my eyeshadow. I'm not sure what should I do. I'm filming a transition video, so I need to do something special. I decided to do something simple and go with this sugar palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is such a cute palette. Look at the colors. I'm going to set my eyelids with this color first. Just go over and make the eyes a bit bright. Make sure there's no creases before you set it with the eyeshadow. Just go ahead with the powder and look at the difference. The eyelids are very bright and pinky. I'm gonna take this and try to make it like a smoky eye effect on the corners. The thing about eyeshadows are the more you blend, the more it's gonna look smooth and soft. So I am blending my life away. Now I feel like the blending is done. I am planning to add this silver glitter onto my eyelids in the front. Oh, that is pigmented. Okay, I love it. Take this color again and kind of blend everything out. Now I'm gonna take a brush and blend this color corrector. I left the color corrector on for so long, but it did not dry up. Look how easily it blended. I love Huda Beauty and their products. Now it's time for concealer. I'm using this Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer from Too Faced, and it's in the shade Light Beige. Just 3 dots on each side, some in here and here, a little bit on there. For foundation, I'm going to use my ultimate favorite Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation. This is my favorite and holy grail foundation. This is in the shade 5.75. And what I'm gonna do is add some on my mixing palette and take a dense brush and kind of go and swipe on my skin like this. Look at the coverage and the finish. Look how gorgeous that is. Some on my forehead. Okay. Use the same brush for blending out the concealers. Let's see. Look at that. This brush is from Kiss New York. I basically use this side of the brush as for foundation and this side for concealer. This is a very dense brush and it is perfect. Look at the finish that the brush and the foundation gave. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go with blush. This is what I'm using. It's from Patrick Ta in She's So LA. First, what Patrick does is take some of the powder and go slowly in your cheek. This looks good. Now with another brush, use the cream part and just dab it on slightly. Look how gorgeous that is. Love it. Both the cheeks are done and I am loving it. I'm gonna take some of these remains and just dab it on my nose and on the chin, some on the forehead. Okay. And I want to try this new powder, which is from Juvia's Place in Cotton Candy. The container is sleek and thin and big. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. I messed it up. Taking a powder puff, dabbing the excess slowly, dabbing under my eyes. This is what it looks like with the powder, without the powder. This is gorgeous. Dab the remaining powder onto my cheeks and the whole face basically. Look at the difference. Now that everything is powdered, let's go with the lashes first. I don't use false lashes every day, so I'm gonna go with mascara. I'm gonna use two mascaras, one's from Anastasia Beverly Hills and one's from YSL Beauty. Okay, first I'm gonna go with the YSL. Look how instantly my lashes are big. The first coat from YSL Beauty is done. I'm going to take the AB Edge mascara and apply the second coat. My lashes are done. I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush and make it kind of like a wing. I decided to add a little bit of wing liner with this LA Girl Perfect Precision eyeliner. It's in the shade brown. To give dimension to your eyes, just flick the inner liner. And look at the difference. You see what I'm talking about? I'm gonna take this bronzing powder from Revolution Makeup. It's their bronzer reloaded in the shade Long Weekend. Take a fluffy brush like this, go and just go on wherever you want your bronze. In the forehead, some on the chin area. On the other side of the brush, I'm just gonna go on my nose. This powder just has the perfect amount of pigment and I love it. Also, this brush is from Jessup Beauty. It's their App 02 and I love this to use for bronzer. Apply cream bronzer sometimes, so I usually opt for powder bronzers. It has made my life so much easier. Look at the warmth and dimension the bronzer gave my face. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this highlighter from Iconic London. This is their Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter in the shade Universal. Just going to take my finger and dab it. I love putting highlighter on my nose. Finally, it's time for lips. I feel like I'm gonna go with this Makeup Forever lip liner in the shade. What is the shade? Limitless Brown and Anastasia Lip Velvet in the shade Softy. I just like to fill the corners with the lip liner as well. This shade is the best, period. The Lip Velvet Softy in the middle. Look at the lip combo that I just created. I'm planning to add a gloss on top and use this Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat shade 3. Just going to slowly dab this product onto my lip. Is this extremely nude for me? I don't know. I feel like it should have like a little pink or red on it. I don't know, but looks good, looks fine. Okay, this is the final look for the face. I feel like I need to put some this onto my neck. Okay, this is the Fenty Diamond Balm in the shade How Many Carats. Okay, I am going to just swipe my hands. Ooh, you see that? Should I just do this? I don't know. Let's try. Does it even... Why am I like this? I feel like this is good. This is everything, you guys. If you like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. There's really uncertainty on TikTok, so I decided to pursue YouTube to post these long contents, which I am really excited about. And I'm gonna go film my transition now, which I'll upload it as a shorts video later. But for now, bye, love you.